You have learned about the advantages of using interfaces and how it will help you to avoid redundant coding. Now you will see how to connect modules without interfaces in their ports to those with interfaces. This will be useful when you want to use interfaces in the program but other designer don't use them. Also, you might come across situation when you want to instantiate a legacy module which was written in Verilog or Systemverilog without interface, but you have used interfaces in your own module. Here the idea is simple. Whenever you want to instantiate a module which is defined without interface, use explicit instantiations of the signals by specifying them with the interface signals. Here the module design is not written with any interface, it just uses input and output ports. In another module named top, you are getting these signals through an interface instance named intf. When the module design is instantiated within the module top, the ports of design instance D1 is connected to signals in the interface instance intf, like .request is connected to intf.request, and so on. The same technique can be used in testbench as well, when designers are not using interfaces, but verification engineers want to use them. Also, you may write a wrapper module with interfaces in its ports and connects the interfaces to other design modules.